your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shava.
And we're back with another video, man. As you guys see back there, we're doing a little Q&A. If you guys are that. Alright, you guys see right there, man. We're doing our first Q&A video. I can't believe we haven't done a Q&A video. We got like 50 plus videos on our channel. We haven't done a Q&A video.
Exactly. That should have been
We're
like
sorry.
within the first 5 videos we should have done, but
true.
hey, it's never too late.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. Never too late. So guys, we got like, no, it's not a lot, maybe like 10, 12. We're gonna tell you guys about ourselves, and then in the future we're gonna such. 16. 16?
16 questions.
Oh damn. So we got 16 questions for you guys, telling you guys about ourselves, you know what I'm saying? So before we start, make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe, like, comment down below, and
hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time we post a video. I feel like I always say that part. You never say that part. Okay.
Whatever. Alright guys, so you gonna jump into this video?
Yeah, let's get straight into this.
You dropped my phone, my guy.
My bad.
My guy, you dropped my phone, my guy.
Okay, let's get
straight into this.
Let's get straight to this video.
Alright.
Okay, so first question is our name. What is our name? Who are we? My name is Shyvonne, bro. That's my whole name. Well,
guys,
Shyvonne.
Remember the first time when I met you on I was like, you said Shyvonne, bro. You actually keep spelling your name. I keep spelling it wrong. B-R-O.
B-R-O.
I'm like,
B-R-O.
Bro, you said bro. B-R-O. What the hell?
Bro. B-R-E-A-U-X.
I used to be like, how is that wrong?
Everybody used to spell like that, so.
I'm like, bro. B-R-O. Bro. B-R-O-O-O-O. Like, I never thought you spelled it like that. I was like, what?
Only people who speak French, they know how to spell my name, my whole name. They know how to spell my exact name. That's because I've had so many, like at my job, I've had so many customers come up to me and be like, your name's Shyvonne? I say, yeah. And they start speaking French and I'm like, oh no, I didn't learn French. Yeah, because my papa passed away before he taught my mom. So she didn't get to learn French. And therefore
you know French?
Yeah. My uncle knows French. But yeah, so my uncle on my mom's side, my mom's dad's side of the family knows French. So yeah.
Shout out to the family, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so my name, y'all know my name. Dan. Vendetta Dan, you know.
Whatever, that is not your name. What did you just say anyway?
Alright guys, my name is Javon.
Javon
Bennett. Not Javon, not J, it's Javon Bennett. You know what I'm saying? People could never spell my name right.
What they say? J-E?
J-E.
J-E.
It's J-A. Like, I don't know, but that's on my dad. That's on my family. I mean, that's on my mom and dad's spell it.
Or they spell it J-A-V-O-N.
Javon? Yeah, it's Javon. Like, it's very few people that got the exact same spelling of my name. Everybody has always got J-E. Mine is J-A-B. Yeah.
Yeah.
You get it.
The weird thing about our names is they sound similar.
Oh, yeah, they do.
And then we both have our last name start with a B. So my initials never have to change.
Oh yeah.
My initials never you know, I've never had to change my initials now.
JD.
Yeah.
SB.
My mom know what she was doing when she named me. So our second question is, how old are we? What is our age? I am 22.
I am 22 as well.
He's 22
what?
as well.
Same age?
We're the same age.
Wow.
So, with this question follows the next question.
Yeah.
When is our birthday? My birthday is February 16th, 1997.
My birthday is February 11th, 1997.
Yo,
what?
I
Same
think we brothers and sisters.
Don't say that. Oh, God.
I think our moms were thinking of us in the same week as they were conceiving us. We're both Aquarius, yeah. So we're both 22. Our last names start with a B. Our first names sound the same. We're the same age. We were born the same week, 5 days apart. My brother, they both born on the same day. That's crazy.
Shout out to other bros who's later born on the same day as me, and maybe his wife born on the same day as hers. You know, he's big up himself.
No, it's the other way around. He's born on the same day I'm born, and she's born on the same day you're
Oh
born.
yeah. Make it fast, make it myself.
Yeah.
And we also think alike sometimes.
Yeah, we do. We say we say the same exact words, or he'll say something that I've been thinking, and then I'll say something that he thinks, and he will be like, "Dang, we were just thinking that." Mm-hmm. Our minds like.
And then sometimes like, or the blue will just say the same word out of nowhere. And be like, "Man, why are you mocking me?"
Exactly.
I'm like, we're just thinking like we're just meant to be. You know what I'm saying?
We just meant to be, and we have the same personality. Like he's a male version of me, I swear. I swear he is. Like if you was like, he's shy, like he's quiet when he don't know anybody. Like when he don't know you, he's quiet. He'll sit in the corner, he's quiet. I'm the same way. If I don't know you, if I've never been around you and your family, I'm gonna sit in the corner in the quiet until you approach me.
If you approach me, it's better for me.
And we don't like to be asked a lot of questions.
Hell no, don't question me, man. I'm gonna shut you down.
For real, I'm like, oh my god.
Look, man.
Did you write these down?
If you want to get to know me, bro, you will get to know me along the way. Don't ask me all this question
like on the spot. Like get to know me as days go by. Like, oh, okay, I just learned something new about this person. So yeah.
Next question.
Next question is how we met.
Okay, guys. So how we met?
How we met?
We met at our job.
We met at work.
Current job. We met at work. What? Way back in what? 2015?
I think it was late 2015, early 2016. Like going into 2016 almost.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So I think it was late 2015. That's when we met. We started off as distant best friends, like, cause I was in a relationship. So I'm the type of person when I'm with someone, I'm not gonna give any attention to any other males. Like my only focus is on my partner at the time. So we were best friends through someone else at the store, and we never really talked as much. We claimed best friends because I was trying to get in a hookup with someone or whatever. And I was like, you know what, you're my best friend, you'll be my best friend. So we just best friends, and oh my gosh, it was one time he almost messed us up, y'all. He almost messed us up because he did not want to be my best friend no more.
Oh yeah.
You remember that time? That's another story. That could be another video, but yeah, he almost messed us up, guys. So if y'all want us to tell y'all about that, just let us know in the comment section below. So yeah, guys, that's how we met. We met at work through a mutual friend. Well, kind of mutual friend. Yeah.
Met at work. We slowly built a friendship. Friendship.
There you go, baby. I got you.
I always stutter, man.
That's okay.
Golly.
I got you, baby.
Well, yeah, what you say? We always build our
friendship.
Yeah, bring that up to we are
in a relationship.
To what you say? What you say? Oh my, I'm about to break something.
Guys, he has a strong accent, so he's trying to flatten his tongue or whatever to speak, I
always thought
correct English.
It's like, I would know what I want to say in my mind, but I still mess it up. Like, oh my god.
It's just like if you speak Spanish and you're trying to speak to someone who speaks only English, then you have to think about it and process it and then say it, but it doesn't come out as perfect English. So
yeah,
it is. But yeah, next question.
Shout out to a job for hooking us up.
Next question. Where are we from?
You don't know I'm from already, man. Where you from?
I'm from Houston, Texas, guys. I'm Houston. I'm born and raised, born and raised in the playground where I spent most of my days. Chilling on, messing up, okay.
Alright, she was born in Houston, Texas, guys.
Yeah.
Living in Houston
my whole life, guys. No. A year I was in East Texas. I did not like it, so we came straight back to the city. But most of my life I've been living in Houston, Texas. So yeah.
Alright, guys. I was born and raised in Kingston, Jamaica, Haney Park, Patrick City. Y'all know what that is, you know what I'm saying? Alright, yeah, sorry. So I lived in Jamaica my whole life till 2012. That's when I first came to America. I'm from 2012, so now I'm in America. I miss Jamaica, man. I want to go back. But I'm going back soon, but
yeah, we going soon.
I ain't going to tell when I'm going back. It's going to be a surprise for you guys who's watching.
We going soon, y'all.
I know what we
Huh? I'm going with you, boy. You ain't going nowhere without me.
Yeah, but shout out to Jamaica, man. Shout out to Kingston, man. Shout out to Patrick City, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Boulevard. Shout out to Portmore. Definitely shout out to them.
Okay, next question. We did those. Okay, what do we do in our spare time? Babe, what did we do in our spare time?
As in what we do together or separately?
And in general, what do we do in our spare time?
Well, if you're talking about before we started doing YouTube, then with me, before we started doing YouTube, with me, we used to like. Well, I'm gonna just say for me. For me, back then I used to work, come home, play the game, work, come home, play the game, go to the gym. Those are the three main things I always do: gym, play the game, go to work. Three main things. That's it. And then go out and feel every now and then. That's it. And then as a couple, if you're talking about right now we're doing YouTube. I know spare time. All I would do is make videos, like look at how to learn how to make thumbnails, or to make intros, or to edit. That's what I'm doing in spare time right now. Every now and then, maybe 2 times per week, we go out and just chill.
Yeah, we're always together.
Yeah, that's what you do for your spare time.
For my spare time before me and him, I would just go hang out with, my family, kinda. I would kinda go hang out with my family a little bit. I had to work. I was in school doing work when I was at work, so I didn't really have like a big social life because I had to work and go to school at the same time. And seeing as I was in a relationship at the time, I was with the person I was with at that time as well. So, but now I'm with my sugar buyer.
Why?
Bun up on that. But yeah, guys, so this is what we do in our spare time. We be with each other, we do YouTube related stuff, and then sometimes we go and we have our time, we have going on our little dates or something. We just spend time with each other. If it's just a little thing of just sitting, eating and watching Netflix.
But for the majority of the time, our main focus is on YouTube, guys. Like this is something that we really want in life, so this is our main focus, YouTube. Like, when we're not making videos, we're doing something related to YouTube.
But this is not our only focus.
What's only focus?
I said it's not our only focus.
As far as YouTube?
As far as life.
Oh, no. I'm talking about right now. I'm trying to focus on this, so...
In us.
What do you mean, in us?
In us.
What are you trying to say?
We need to focus on us, too.
We are focusing on us.
Okay.
Didn't I not say 1 to 2 days out of the week where I was focusing on myself, go out or something like that?
I don't remember you saying that, but okay.
I did say that. You gonna argue when you watch this video, but you gonna hear me say it. Did I not say that, guys?
I'm playing. I'll see how heated he get.
You playing for real?
Yes. You funny. Okay, next question.
Monkey face.
Whatever. What is our favorite food?
That's kind of a gimme. That's the easiest question in this world.
What is the favorite food that you've never that you're not used to? Like,
wait.
Since you came to America, what is your favorite food?
I don't have a favorite American food, to be honest with you.
What?
I mean, what?
You don't like my tacos?
I mean, that's worldwide.
Not my tacos. My tacos not worldwide.
I mean, that's different. I like your tacos. Hey, you made some good tacos. I ain't gonna lie to you. If you guys haven't seen that video, go watch that video. It's probably that video like 2 months ago. I don't know. Check it out. I'm not talking like that. But you say favorite food in America?
Yeah, like
I don't have any favorite food, but I got some food that I like that's in America. I like the boudin, and I ain't gonna lie to you. I like the
boudin balls.
I like
the
taco choke. Yeah, that. What else? I like the granny. My granny was cool.
Gumbo.
Yeah, I like that gumbo. I like granny. I like the gumbo. Shit, that gumbo go hard. That gumbo go hard. Like, yeah.
I remember the first time I had him to try granny gumbo. He did not want to try because he didn't know what it was.
I didn't know what it was. I'm like, what's it?
Exactly.
Man, I remember I took a spoon.
He's searching like he doing surgery through the dog.
I'm looking at the food. I'm like. And then, oh yeah, remember when you pour the whole thing into a cup of rice?
Oh yeah.
What are you doing?
You have to get the rice and then
bro, I never seen nobody make a whole soup on the rice.
Yes. That's what gumbo is, kind of.
I ain't know how he made gumbo. I didn't know what gumbo is. I was like, he want me to try that? Hell no.
He loves it.
So when I first tried the first time, I put my gumbo to the side. My rice on the side.
And then he dipped the spoon in the gumbo and then dipped the spoon in the rice. I'm like, what the heck? You guys to just mix it together. He's so weird, y'all.
But yeah, I was on that, man. My favorite food is Jamaican. Jamaican food. I already know that, man. Fried chicken, nuts and curry chicken, oxtail, recipes, fried rice, beef patty, chicken patty, chicken patty.
Okay, my favorite food that I've never tried before until him is, of course, Jamaican food. I love Jamaican food. Now, it puts weight on me, And it's like, it's amazing. Like, I've always had oxtails. My family cooks oxtails. But the brown stew chicken and the curry chicken and the plantains, I'm hooked on the plantains.
Oh, she used to ask for plantains like every week.
Mm-hmm.
Plantains go hard though.
Yeah, I like the plantains. Okay.
So what is your favorite American food though?
My favorite American food is seafood.
Seafood?
I love seafood. Like, you could bring me seafood. I'm mad at you for a whole week, bring me seafood, we good.
Okay. She likes seafood, guys. I like Jamaican food, so you already know what's up.
Alright, so our next question is, what is our favorite music? What type of genre do you like?
Dancehall and reggae.
Dancehall and reggae.
Dancehall and reggae. I like a little bit of rap. I don't really rap that. I like hip hop, but mainly dancehall and reggae, guys.
My favorite music genre, I have a couple of them. I like gospel, I like country, I like hip hop, I like R&B. I like a lot of type of music. I like reggae. I like reggae. I like anything that'll get me in the mood to dance, and then at the same time get me in my feelings. Like, I don't know, just like it. I've grown up around music. I sing. I don't sing for a living, but I sing for my own personal gain or whatever. And my uncle's a doggone, not a DJ. I mean, he's a DJ, and my cousin is a DJ. My other cousin's a rapper. My brother is a rapper. So I grew up in a whole lot of music. Yeah. What is our favorite sport? What's your favorite sport, babe?
My number one sport, guys, is soccer/football. Soccer/football. My next other sport is that I like cricket. Cricket? You know the cricket is, I mean, most of you guys probably not gonna know what cricket is, but for the Caribbean people that know cricket, yeah, I like cricket. That's probably my second sport. My third sport is, I don't really got a third sport. I like lacrosse. I remember I played lacrosse for the first time. That sport was hard. I like lacrosse. that sport good. I like lacrosse. So soccer/football, cricket, and lacrosse.
My favorite sport is hands down cheerleading. I love to cheer. Most people be like, cheerleading is not a sport, but it is. We do the same thing. We exercise, we go to competitions, all this and that. It's a sport. And I love softball. Softball, baseball. I love playing those. And volleyball. I play a lot of sports in school, so I have a lot of good sports. But cheerleading is my favorite. First kiss. When was our first kiss, babe?
Man, you got me thinking about it. First kiss happened, I want to say it's in September 2016.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so our next question is
our first date.
Our first date. That gonna need some thinking now.
Our first date.
What was that? A movie date or one more? Not one more.
Our first date was to the mall.
Mall?
Yeah, it was to the mall. I got the video right here, y'all.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, it's these. Went to the mall.
So the first date was the mall. The second date was the movies. So it was pretty much 2 days in between, kind of.
Yeah.
So yeah.
That was our first date. So who said I love you first?
Me.
You said it?
Wait, did I? If anything, I said it in the message.
Yeah, I think you said it in the message. Because we were best friends. He said, I love you, best friend. And I was like, I love you too, best friend.
Oh, yeah, we always used to say that.
Yeah.
I don't know who started up first. We always just said, I love you, best friend.
Yeah, we always said, I love you, best friend, whenever we were just best friends. But when we got together, it was kind of like normal. Like, we already knew we loved each other. And, it wasn't like, oh, I love you for the first time. Whenever we started dating, like whenever we started being a couple, it wasn't like that because we had already started saying I love you and everything when we were best friends. So yeah. Our first vacation. When was our first vacation?
The trip that we took?
Yeah.
We took it to Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
Yeah.
We took that in
spring break of 2018.
2018.
Yeah.
That was fun.
It was fun. We have been planning that trip for what, a year?
Yeah. You know the crazy thing about it, guys? We wasn't taking it serious.
We really was. We was just saying
we was saying stuff, you know what I'm saying? And then it was one day I was just randomly going through my phone looking at tickets and stuff. I was like, "No, this ticket cheap as hell." I was like, "Babe, we gotta get on this ticket right now. I don't care." That time we didn't even know where it was going.
Yeah.
But we know where it was going. We didn't have no hotel. We didn't start packing nothing.
We just booked that flight.
We booked that flight. Like, man, we're going here. Man. We're going here.
It was cheap too. It was like
cheap, $90 something.
Yeah, it was cheap. We had bought it in November?
Yeah, November.
We bought it in November.
And the trip was in March?
March, yeah. So we bought it in November of 2017 and we went March 2018. That's what that was. What is our best trait? I think is his heart. He has a big heart, y'all. Well, I'm gonna say his personality. Because he's goofy and then he's caring at the same time and then he's gullible, y'all.
Okay.
And then when he needs to be, he's very protective.
Okay.
Yeah, he's very, like, he takes stuff serious when it needs to be taken serious. So, yeah, I think that's what I like most.
That's just Jamaican spirit.
Yeah.
That's Jamaican spirit. I already know. We don't joke around certain stuff. So my best trait, I'll just say personal. I'm going to say something for you, personality. Like a personality. Here we go again, guys. You got a good what?
Personality.
Okay. It's the same thing. You gotta do it hard. Like, sometimes I feel like you care too much. But she cares a lot. Too much sometimes. She cares a lot. She's very smart. I ain't gonna lie, sometimes she's always smart. And I do want to be like, shut up. But she's very smart. She can cook. And she can dress. And she can do her makeup. She do quite a lot of stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I like a lot of stuff. She can handle her own. And so
I can handle my own bed.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
That's what's up.
Okay, so
we're coming on to our last
two questions.
Two questions? Last question.
So our next question is, how long have we been
together? We ain't saying that.
Yes, we are. Our next question is, how long have we been together? We have been together as best friends for what, about? Okay, mid-2016, that's when we became best friends, and we are best friends to this day. We have been together for about a year, June. We have been together for a year and 5 months. So, yeah. That's how long we have been together. How many kids do we want? How many kids? I want 4 kids. The reason why I want 4 kids because I don't want to.
I want 2. That's it.
No.
Black and period. 2 kids.
Whatever.
All right, guys.
Twins running my family, so we're gonna have 2 at one time.
Guys. We're gonna.
Anyways, we want 4 kids because we don't. Because 3. What if those 2 be playing with each other and then this last one by itself? So we gotta have another baby to balance it off, you know what I mean? So that we can have our time whenever these 2 play and these 2 play.
Alright guys, well, guys, this is the end of the Q&A video, guys. Hope you didn't miss anything. If you guys need to know more information about us, comment down below. Or we will comment under your comment. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I don't know why she's looking at me for it, because she's like this. She's like this.
Shut up.
Like this.
I don't know why I look up like this. It's hard for me to look just like this.
So guys, make sure you guys, whatever, shut up. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate the love and support from you guys, man.